Hello students. So we are doing chapter nature of matter and we have learnt till now what matter is. Anything that occupies space is known as matter. Matter is broadly classified into three forms on the basis of their physical state: solids, liquid and gases. We have also learnt about the arrangement of particles in solids, liquids and gases. We have learnt about grouping and classification as well. Now in today's video, we'll be learning about the properties of matter. One of the properties of matter is appearance and feel. Now what does appearance means? Appearance means how does a substance look? Is it giving a dull look or a lustrous look? Lustrous is shiny and dull means no shine, just a surface. For this I'll show you one object. I'm having one trophy with me. Now you can see that this surface is a rough surface, dull surface. It is not as shiny as this silver is, because silver is a metal and all metals are lustrous except few. This is wood. Wood is having a non-lustrous appearance. Now we can say that this appearance shows this is lustrous and this is dull. Another property is transparency. Transparency is the property that allows light to pass through material. On the basis of this, we have divided the materials in three different forms. One is transparent, second is translucent, and the third one is opaque objects. Now we will study these in detail. Now if I talk about transparent objects, the objects that allow light to pass through them completely, in which we can see the object very clearly through it. These substances are known as, these objects are known as transparent objects. For example, glass. Now if I talk about translucent objects, the objects that allow light to pass through them पार्शियली, हल्की हल्की लाइट पास होने देता है अपने अंदर से, तो हमारे को जो इमेज दिखता है वो ब्लर्ड दिखती है. ब्लर्ड इमेज, जैसे अगर मैं पॉली बैग्स के थ्रू देखना चाहूँ किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को तो वो ट्रांसल्यूसेंट दिखेगा. नाउ हियर एग्जांपल इज पॉली बैग, फ्रॉस्टेड ग्लास और ऑयली पेपर. दीज ऑल आर एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रांसल्यूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओपेक, द ऑब्जेक्ट that do not allow light to pass through them. ये अपने थ्रू बिल्कुल लाइट पास नहीं होने देता, इसलिए we are unable to see the object through it. Example is wood, cardboard, stone. Now let me show you this through an activity. For this activity, I have made a dot on the board and let's see it through different objects. First of all, I am having one glass strip with me. When I try to see this dot with this glass strip, what you can observe? you are observing that you can see dot clearly, as clearly on the board. See, with glass lid, without glass lid. So no difference at all. So these objects through which we can see clearly are known as transparent objects. Now I am having one poly bag strip with me. Now when I try to see this through poly bag strip, what I can observe, I can see the dot but not as clearly as I was unable to see it through glass strip. So these type of objects which allow the light to pass through them partially are known as translucent objects. Now when I bring one cardboard in front of this dot, what you will observe, I'm unable to see the dot. So that means this object is not allowing light to pass through it. Hence these type of objects are known as opaque objects. So in today's class we have learnt about two properties of matter. One is the appearance and feel. Appearance, the objects are divided in two types, lustrous and dull. Second, we have learnt about feel, that means smooth or rough. In another property of matter, that is transparency, we have learnt about three types of objects: transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.